Good evening, guys. Please meet my little sheep. Sheep cook. So what is that, Pesal?
Shatira.
Shatira. Okay, what is that? Bread and then?
And cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Cheese burger.
Ayun.
And this.
The crummy.
Yeah.
Okay. Show us. What did you do? How did you do that? Okay.
First the bread. So
Okay.
after snip this.
Okay.
First last.
And then, the next is, okay, kalam Pesal. You kalam. You kalam mo, Ana. I will help you.
No.
Okay. Okay, what is the next?
Cool.
Okay, close. What's that?
Cheese burger.
Jeez. Kalam ka, Tia. So they will hear your voice.
After like this.
Open it. You know how to open?
Yeah.
I will help you. And then, okay. What next? What next? Okay. What is that? I will do for Kalang Pesa. You talk to them.
So
Sabi ko is the bread. Together. Okay. How many minutes? How many minutes you do? Okay. How many minutes this sheep? Huh? Mr. Chief, come on. How many minutes you will cook that? Huh?
no time.
Okay. We will see. What are you doing, sheep? Are you happy when you do your dinner? Huh? What is the taste?
It's nice.
Nice? So how many minutes? Maybe 5 minutes or 3 minutes?
Maybe
What is this, sheep? What is this?
milk chocolate.
Huh?
Milk chocolate.
Milk chocolate. Okay. So,
You so like a shake.
Muffy boys. Sorry, boys katil. Yun lang. Ha? What's that? Please subscribe to my channel. This is Pesal, the Sunnis sheep cook in the Saudi Arabia. Sa Pesal, what do you want to be when you grow up? You want to be a sheep cook someday? Hmm? Okay guys, kapag nag-green to guys, it's done. So I will wait until it's green. Becomes green. Si Pesal ang laging gumagawa ng kanyang pagkain gabas ng Shatira. Ayan, ayan guys. Oh, so I will help you. Slowly, slowly. I will help you. Asbare. Ayan na guys. Wait. I will. Har. Sige, pabayaan natin siya. Okay. What is the next you did? Huh? What's that? Oh, bish. Smile here, smile. Come on. Oh, hold it. Show them, show them. Show them. Yes, hello. Okay, say bye-bye.